This is Denby, the handsome boy. Very submissive boy. Very well behaved. Calm, gentle. Really good with other dogs. Just a very calm boy. Not very bubbly or playful, but just very gentle. Very submissive boy. Good with people. Just grab him, turn him over. And even a dog stepping over him. It's really gentle. Love how it's just really calm temperament. Millie, don't get in the way. We want to show Denby. Hey Denby, that's so cute. What's going on there? Huh? Michael, we have some friends visiting, so we want I also want to test Denby. Hi Denby. Good Denby, what a good boy. What a gentle boy. Look at that. Isn't that comfortable? So I could tell Denby's loved many dogs. We don't even know how many more. And all these dogs are great temperament and they all need a home. And they all have different temperament. Denby's the most gentle and calm boy here. Yeah, Denby, you're such a good boy. And we have little puppies. These are little puppies here, busy. We have a smaller dog here, very busy, playing all day long. Wow, Denby could just lay here, huh? What a good boy.